Hey guys, today we will show you the Irazu Volcano National Park. This volcano is located in the province of Cartago, and it might take you around 2 hours to get there from San Jose downtown. Please visit our blog for detailed information and directions, and we hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did when we recorded it.
Hey everyone, today we're at the Irazu Volcano. It's a very nice drive up here. It took us about an hour from San Jose, but it's really pretty. We're gonna go see some craters, walk around a little bit, hopefully see some wildlife. Today is a really nice day, so there's actually not many people here at all. I thought there would be a lot more, but that's okay. We'll have more time for ourselves.
Hey, so today we are with my family. This is Jose. This is my brother-in-law and bodyguard. And this is Suyani. This is my little sister. Alright, so this is the main trail, or I don't know, main access to the crater. They have two. This is the lowest point, and right over there, that's the highest point of the national park.